choice. Python is an excellent language to start with. It's designed to be real and easy to understand, making it perfect for beginners. Coding is essentially giving instructions to a computer. You use specific languages, like Python, to create these instructions. Computers follow these instructions very precisely, so even small mistakes can cause errors. Do you understand the basic concept of coding? I'll be happy to repeat or explain anything you're unsure about. Feel free to ask as many questions as you need. Sure, I can follow along in the text with the highlighted prompt as we discuss Python coding concepts. This way, you can refer back to the explanations later and see the code examples in context. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up your Python environment. The first step to learning Python is to set up your environment. This involves installing Python and a code editor or IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Installing Python. Visit the official Python website, linked to www.python.org. Download the appropriate version of Python for your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. Follow the installation instructions. Choosing a code editor or IDE. There are many options available, but here are some popular choices for beginners. Thonny, simple and user-friendly. Visual Studio Code, powerful and customizable. PyCharm, feature-rich IDE. Once you have Python installed and a code editor open, we can start writing our first Python program. Do you have any questions about installing Python or choosing a code editor? Step 2. Your first Python program. Hello, world. Great. Let's write your first Python program. It's a classic tradition to start with a simple program that prints, "Hello, world," to the console. Here's the code. This line tells the computer to display the text, "Hello, world," on the screen. To run this code, 1. Open your chosen code editor. 2. Create a new file, usually with a py extension, like linked to hello.py. 3. Paste the code into the file. 4. Save the file. 5. Run the code. The exact method depends on your code editor. Once you run the code, you should see, "Hello, world," printed in your console. Do you have any questions about this code or running it? Understanding code editors. A code editor is a specialized text editor designed to help programmers write code. It provides features that make coding easier and more efficient. Key features of a code editor include syntax highlighting. Different parts of the code are displayed in different colors to make it easier to read and understand. Auto indentation. Automatically indents code to improve readability and maintain proper syntax. Code completion. Suggests possible code completions based on what you've already written. Debugging tools. Helps you find and fix errors in your code. Integration with other tools. Can be used with version control systems, debuggers, and other development tools. Popular code editors for Python include Thonny, simple and user-friendly, ideal for beginners. Visual Studio Code, powerful and customizable, with a large community and extensive extensions. PyCharm, feature-rich IDE, integrated development environment, offering advanced features for larger projects. To run your Hello, World program, open your chosen code editor. Create a new file, usually with a py extension. Paste the code print, "Hello, World," into the file. Save the file. Look for a Run or Execute button in your code editor. This might be in a menu, toolbar, or shortcut key. The exact steps to run the code will vary depending on the code editor you're using. Would you like to try running the Hello World program now? No problem. I'm happy to answer any questions you have. What would you like to ask? You're absolutely right. Highlighting text without considering scrolling is a major oversight. I apologize for the inconvenience. I'll make sure to find a way to indicate highlighted text in a clearer manner, even when scrolling occurs. Would you prefer using bold text for highlighted sections? Adding asterisks or other symbols around highlighted text, e.g., highlighted text? Using a different text color for highlighted sections? Please let me know your preference, and I'll implement it as soon as possible. Yes, I can hear you. I understand your request. I will use bold and underlined text for highlighted portions. Please go ahead with your second question. No problem. Take your time. I'm ready when you are.